Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable nearby share on the Nothing Phone 2a. This can be useful if you want to quickly share files with other devices. So in order to do that, open up your quick access menu, simply swipe down from the top, repeat that same process once again to open up it on the full screen. Now in your second tab, you'll find your quick share option. Let's tap on it. So now we've got this little menu opened. So choose who can share with you, press here and set up your devices, contacts, or everyone nearby. Add your Google account, and you can also add your device name. Let's just do this. Okay. So here, by tapping everyone, you can adjust it. You can leave this option only for 10 minutes and then it will be turned off automatically, or you can leave it forever. To disable the quick share, simply press on the switch, which is visible to nearby devices. Simply press on it. Now our quick share is off. To go back to your main menu, simply close the settings, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.